If you want to pin your favorite apps on Chromebook shelf for quick access, then this video is for you. Here I will show you the easiest method to do so. So with that being said, let's get started. To locate your favorite application, simply click on App Launcher icon and here you will get the application list. Simply look for the application that you want to pin. Say for example, I want to pin Netflix application to the Chromebook shelf. I will simply right click on Netflix icon. Here I will find pin to shelf option. Simply click on it. Now here you can see that Netflix application has been added to the Chromebook shelf. Now you can use this icon to quickly launch your application. Also, if you want to remove any application from the Chromebook shelf, then simply right click on the application and here click on Unpin. And the application will be removed from your Chromebook shelf. So that's it. This is a quick video. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.